Hey, it's Mr. Miles coming live from Mrs. Miles' room. You notice the biology stuff hanging up on the wall. You notice Miss Miles herself. All right, so here we are. Okay. All right. Now we've got compositions. Okay. So let me go ahead and write to begin with, and I do want to switch to blue this time. How we're going to deal with this? We are going to take that limit as x approaches 2 and place it inside first, and then find that limit with the g of x, and then evaluate that result with f of x. Okay. Not sure if I said that right, but close enough. So here we go. So we got f of the limit as x approaches 2 of g of x, all right, which we can evaluate with a direct substitution. All right, we do not have to do a table. We don't have to do a graph. We don't have to do anything because the negative 2x is a continuous function. We'll talk more about that later. And so I can do a direct substitution into that. The limit as x approaches 2 of g of x when g of x is negative 2x is, and I won't skip any steps here, negative 2 times 2. Okay, so I need to find f of negative 4. Okay, well, that equals, just substitute negative 4 up here. So I'll have negative 4 cubed minus negative 4 squared plus 4 times negative 4 minus 1. All right, so here we go. All right, no calculator. Negative 64 minus 16 minus another 16 minus 1. All right, so this is negative 64 minus 16, so negative 80 minus 16 minus 1, negative 96 minus 1. You know, you can do this a lot faster than I'm doing. And so my final answer is negative 97. Unless I messed up, but I don't think I did. I think that one's good. Okay, same game. And now, I love this. It's the exact same two functions, but this time it's g of f of x. So this will equal g of the limit as x approaches 2. Hey, that looks pretty good right there, of f of x. All right. So once again, this time it's f of x, so I've got to go g of, and this is also a continuous function. There are no holes, there's no gaps, there's no asymptotes, there's nothing like that to worry about. I can do a direct substitution into that and find out what that limit is. All right, so the limit as x approaches 2 of f of x is going to be 2 cubed. I'll show it like I did on the last one. Minus 2 squared plus 4 times 2 minus 1. All right, and that is equal to g of, we've got 8 minus 4 plus 8. All right, here we go. So 8, I'll just write it, minus 4 plus 8 minus 1. Okay, so this is g of 8 minus 4 is 4, 4 plus 8 is 12, 12 minus 1, 11. All right, and I don't feel like I've made any mistakes, but you never know. And so g of 11 is negative 2 times 11, which is negative 22. All right, so that's example 4, composition of functions. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the limit into the innermost part of the function. On the left, on part A, it was g of x that we assigned the limit to. On part B, it was f of x we assigned the limit to. And then had some work to do. Of course, the work involving f of x was the most that we had to do. It's a little bit harder over here, but that takes care of it. All right, that's it for example